Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen, the cooking show where if I got $1 for every time someone asked me for an eggless recipe of something, I'd be a millionaire or maybe a billionaire. Anyway, I unfortunately have no eggless version of today's recipe. Besides, what are we making today any which way? We're going to be making a delicious espresso mug cake with a vanilla mascarpone frosting. For those of you who don't know, espresso basically, well, it's a coffee flavored cake and it's delicious, guys. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's go and make it. So to make the mug cake, I'm going to take 15 grams of butter in a bowl. Then I'm just going to microwave it for 30 seconds till it melts. To that, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Once I've done that, I'm going to add in my sweetener. I'm using erythritol here, and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. And then I just give it all a good mix. Now you can add as little or as much of coffee powder as you like, depending on how strong a coffee flavor you want in the cake. Anyway, then I'm just going to quickly microwave it for 15 seconds more because I want that coffee powder to break down and melt into that cream and butter mixture. I don't want any lumps of instant coffee powder. Once that's done, I'm going to add in my other ingredients. I'm going to add in some vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, and I'm going to crack in 1 egg and then give it all another good mix. Now I'm going to add in my dry ingredients, half a teaspoon of baking powder, about 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk, and a few drops of stevia. And give it all a good mix. Now I know there is raw egg in the batter, guys, but taste a little bit so you know if you need to add extra sweetener or not. Now once that's done, I'm going to transfer this mixture into 2 ramekins. I figured rather than make one big mug cake which I tell you to eat half of, it's better you make 2 separate mug cakes. So microwave each of the ramekins for about 1 minute and your mug cake is ready. And oh yeah, that looks delicious and decadent. Anyway, once both your mug cakes are out and you feel brave enough, just tilt the ramekin over. Well, actually you can eat it in the ramekin. I do this so that I can take photos and all that jazz. Anyway, once your cakes have cooled down, it's time to frost them with the vanilla mascarpone frosting. Now guys, are you wondering how to make this frosting? Just go back to the berry mug cake recipe and I've shown you how to make this frosting. You can click above here on the I button to get the recipe. So you've already learned how to make the frosting. I don't need to show you how to do it again. And just frost that cake generously. Oh yeah. And I'm just going to let you enjoy this clip and savor the moment where you watch that icing being piped onto the cake. Oh yeah, so good. Anyway, that's all my friends. Your cake is ready, completed with frosting. You can either eat it at room temperature or you can put it in the fridge. It's completely up to you. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Hey guys, it's time to taste, and I put one in the fridge and one was at room temperature. So I'm going to taste them both and we'll see which one's better. In fact, let me know in the comments below, do you prefer your cake cold or do you prefer your cake hot? Let me know. I'm interested to know. Alright, let me dig into this room temperature cake. Oh wow, that is good. That is like coffee. Oh my god. Oh. And that salt, guys, don't ever forget to put salt in your desserts. It just I don't have the words to say what it does, but it does some stuff. Alright, from the fridge now. Oh. Ooh. This is a tough one. So which cake is better? What are the pros and the cons of each cake? So definitely when you put it in the fridge, it kind of becomes a little denser. So if you like a more dense cake, then definitely eat it from the fridge. If you like it, well, a little more fluffy and aerated, then try the one at room temperature. But oh man, this is so good. I mean, that vanilla mascarpone frosting with the sort of bitterness of the coffee and the cocoa. Oh, I'm out of words, guys. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. You please make these cakes at home. Well, yeah, it's the same cake, just hot and cold. Anyway, make the cake at home. Let me know how it turned out, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers, and keep eating keto cake, man. Enjoy your keto cake. I'm gonna do that now myself. Oh yeah. Hey folks, if you like the recipe, please give the video a thumbs up. We've got more mug cake recipes on the Headbangers Kitchen channel for you to check out. And I'm also a heavy metal musician, so if you got some time and you like heavy metal music, check out one of my songs. You can see the links all around me. Anyway, take care.